Hey everyone, this is Paul Villa with the Proteus Academy, and this is episode 2 of 2 Minute Tuesdays, where we provide you with tips on how you can improve in debate in 2 minutes or less. This week we're talking about framework, and more specifically why, in my opinion, 90% of you out there are probably doing this wrong. Now, in this context, I'm specifically talking about high school debate and Lincoln Douglas and public forum especially. A lot of people, especially negatives and especially new teams, tend to start out their case with a framework, right? And what they tend to do is say, well, here's the definitions, and here's our criteria, here's our value, however it is you want to set up the debate. But the problem is, and again, this is a negative specific issue, you are saying the exact same thing the affirmative said. We get into these debates where you say that you define a word maybe 1% different than them, and that word's definition doesn't get you any unique offense, and it doesn't exclude any offense from the other team. And this is also true of the criterion and the values you're proposing, right? Maybe the affirmative said consequentialism was their system, and you said utilitarianism instead, but that doesn't do anything for you. Unless you're going to exclude an impact from them or garner an impact for yourself, you are wasting your time on framework. And again, debate really is ultimately about time trade-offs, especially in these debates that are shorter in format, right? Public forum, you have so little time to speak overall that the more things you can say, the more efficient you are going to be. So, my general rule for time efficiency and for framework: unless the thing you're saying is an impact, leads to an impact, or prevents the other team from getting an impact, you're probably wasting your time. That's going to be it for this week's 2 Minute Tuesdays. We hope you enjoy the video series, and please remember to follow us on Twitter, visit our website, and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're finding any of these videos useful. Again, I'm Paul Villa. Have a nice day.